Hi everyone, I'm Pankam, a soon-to-graduate master's degree student with the Environmental Sciences and Policy program at Johns Hopkins University, and today I'm going to invite you to be the bloom with me. So after taking the Sustainability Leadership Intensive course with Paul Kasich earlier this year, I really came away with this renewed sense of what it means to be an environmental steward, whether it's in a local context, a regional context, a global context, and a lot of times the best change you can make for yourself and for your community starts right at home. And not only does our road to environmental stewardship and creating positive social change often start right at home, it often starts when we're really young, when we're first able to get out there and experience life in all its vibrancy through these beautiful childlike perspectives that sometimes we end up losing as we grow older. In a lot of environmental solution building circles, there's this question that's often asked, right? It's where can we find dedicated environmental stewards? Where are those compassionate and driven change agents dedicated to protecting our natural world and our communities? Well, the answer to this question is everywhere, but especially in the places we adults sometimes overlook, the hearts and minds of young children. Kids experience the world through such a rich engagement of the five senses. Typically, these experiences become playtime, art, stories, knowledge, memories, and solution building. After outlining my ideas, goals, and intentions for the program, I approached the principal of the elementary school that I had actually attended growing up in Southern California and was met with a really warm response. I was first introduced to a music teacher who talked to me about revitalizing planting infrastructure at the school that had been there for some time but had fallen into disrepair, and was also connected with a parent who wanted to revamp the playground and add a community garden behind it. It really was a wonderful series of events. It really felt like serendipity. And then news of COVID-19 hit, and the entire state of California basically shut down, save for essential services. So we had to put the active development of this community garden and playground and planter revitalization on hold for now. But that's not going to stop us from planning and dreaming of what will be and can be in the meantime as we wait for things to reopen and for everyone to be safe, happy, and healthy. And I'm so looking forward to when this program can finally become a reality, but I want to remind everyone that no matter where we are in life and what's happening around us, I hope that we can still find the opportunities to blossom, to be the bloom, and to be the bloom together. Thank you.